just as excited about that box as well.
Yeah.
So, are you happy?
Yeah.
And we're going to do an unboxing later, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. So, see you soon, guys, to unbox.
See you soon, guys. We're just gonna
up.
leave. And this is my dream come true. It's the best Hotwheels city in the big. Yeah, just fine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the Super Recharge fuel station. It's got let's race and let's look at the box. Here we got the battery attack, and the piece of sound code attack from our second video on our channel. And here's the city. Yeah, I'm trying to make this in my room, and it's the final set we need to complete season 2, whatever, I don't know. And here's the back. We've got the cool. And here's the top. And let's get unboxing. But first, please like and subscribe and comment down below if you have this or you're trying to plan it. Now, let's open it up and unbox it. First, we're going to have to do this.
Ooh. Do you want some help or you okay?
I know.
Okay.
And oh my god, look how they did it. First, let's look at this. Then open it up. Got battery attack and this.
Does it come up into 2?
I don't know.
There you go.
Go over here.
Oh, wow.
Here's the chocolate.
Oh, wow.
Now I'm unboxing. But first, we need to open up the instructions. And let's get it out.
Uh-oh. There's a cat coming to attack the city.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. First, we have to take everything out. Hello, Pika. Yeah, that's my cat, Pikachu. He's cute, isn't he? Yeah, I got this from Amazon. And when we was about to leave, it actually came.
Okay, so should we put it together and then come back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, guys, this is it completed. You see what it looks like in near the car.
What's his name? High voltage, is it?
Yeah. Now, first we have to get this. And first, we need to fill him because he's at 0%. So spin him here. Get the charger out.
Wow, now he's full.
No, he can go now. Get back in. Now he needs to get up here. First, I do this. Get that out.
Oh, that's cool. Wow, love it.
Chain. Now, let's put it in here. And now. Whoa! That's cool. Now let's put it in there. 3, 2, 1. Let's race.
Woo, that was so good.
Yeah.
So what do you rate it?
10 out of 10. But you know what this thing's missing?
What?
Extra track pieces. Let's add this.
Did that come with it or have you just added that?
I added it.
Okay.
Yeah. These are also in Hot Wheels City. Yeah, if you got these, please type in Hot Wheels City Awesome. Actually, let's turn it around like this.
Yeah, that fits better.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. But we have to connect these. Okay, now here's our track, but we'll end it in a minute. Let's put our cars in here. Yeah, let's put it there. Good, but now we have to put these cars in. We'll do our drop water. Oh no. Wait, let's put the rocking bike there. They're actually shut right because they're too long. No, carbonator. And not the West Coast Flyer. Yeah. And there it is. Let's put our new favourite car here. Now, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Yes, my favourite track, but if you want to see my next video soon, just check my room if you want to see it, my view video. And here's my double-decker big rig. Yeah, have you seen that by watching this? And see you soon, bye.